Welcome back to AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. I'm Leo. Today's story is about energy. This is one where the technical architecture details really matter for how it plays out. AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. Exactly, Sarah, but this week marks a pivotal shift. Major U.S. utility companies are launching pilot programs leveraging AI to move from reactive fixes to proactive prediction. It's about transforming grid management, really. Precisely. These models are performing predictive outage analytics, dynamic grid optimization to reroute power, and even automating restoration efforts by identifying fault locations faster. Think about the ripple effects: improved public safety, significant operational efficiency, and major cost savings by optimizing maintenance and reducing energy losses. Indeed, and it's fascinating to see who's leading the charge here. Established utility giants like PG&E, Con Edison, and Duke Energy are partnering with specialized AI solution providers. It's a clear signal that the industry recognizes traditional methods are no longer sufficient against escalating extreme weather. AI isn't just an add-on, it's becoming a core strategic investment. Precisely. It's about building an energy infrastructure that can anticipate, withstand, and rapidly recover from any challenge, securing reliable power for generations. Sure, let's jump right in. Here's how the segment will go. Quick reminder after the bumper. If AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems helps you, subscribe now so you don't miss next week. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments.
AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. So instead of just fixing problems, they're trying to anticipate and prevent them, especially with aging infrastructure and the push for more renewable energy sources. This sounds like a crucial evolution. And I heard they're using digital twin technology, creating virtual replicas of the grid to simulate scenarios. That sounds incredibly complex, especially with legacy systems. And it's not just about keeping the lights on. AI can help integrate intermittent renewable sources like solar and wind more effectively, driving us toward decarbonization goals. We're talking industrial conglomerates like Siemens Energy and GE, but also tech giants like IBM and Microsoft, leveraging their cloud platforms and AI services. So looking ahead, Leo, what does the future hold for AI and grid resiliency? A powerful vision for the future indeed. Sure, here we go. Before we jump back in, tap subscribe for AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems so you get every weekly episode.
And today, we're diving deep into a topic that's electrifying the energy sector: how U.S. utility companies are turning to advanced AI to safeguard our power grids from extreme weather. Absolutely. And the AI they're deploying isn't just basic data analytics. We're talking about advanced machine learning, deep learning, and even reinforcement learning models. Integrating AI with decades-old infrastructure is a major hurdle, along with ensuring data quality, cybersecurity, and finding enough AI-savvy energy professionals. The talent gap is real. That's critical. It also enhances national security by making our critical infrastructure less vulnerable to both natural disasters and potential cyber attacks, which is a growing concern. Exactly. And let's not forget the innovative startups like Uplight and Spark Cognition, focusing purely on energy management and predictive analytics for infrastructure. It's a diverse ecosystem. I think we'll see widespread deployment beyond just pilot programs. More advanced AI techniques like generative AI for scenario planning will become commonplace, creating truly self-healing grids. This has been AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. Of course, here's how that could sound. Quick reminder after the bumper. If AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems helps you, subscribe now so you do not miss next week.
It's a huge challenge, isn't it? We've seen record-breaking storms, heat waves, and wildfires impacting our power supply. Historically, utilities have relied on traditional systems, often reacting to outages after they happen. That means processing vast amounts of diverse data, real-time sensor data, historical outage patterns, detailed weather forecasts, even satellite imagery. It's a huge data challenge. Despite those challenges, the potential impact is enormous. The primary goal is fewer and shorter outages, which means more reliable power, especially during those intense weather events. But with all this connectivity and data, cybersecurity and data privacy become even more paramount. We can't have our energy grid become a new target for malicious actors. So this week's pilot programs really signify this multifaceted approach. They're synthesizing massive data sets, focusing on predictive analytics to anticipate failures, and optimizing power distribution in real time. Sounds like a future where human operators collaborate closely with AI, focusing on strategic oversight, while the AI handles real-time optimization and proactive problem solving. Join us next time for more on the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. Absolutely. Here's how that segment could be delivered. That's what's changing for users and businesses this week. Thanks for listening to AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. Check back next time. There's always something new happening in AI. See you then.